Mastermind presents. Formation of PDE from f of u comma v is equal to 0 with example problems 1 and 2. Before watching this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button.
Let equation of the form pi of u comma v is equal to 0 or f of u comma v is equal to 0 where u and v are function of x and y, then partial differential equation is determinant of ux, uy, vx, vy is equal to 0. Any equation of the form pi of u comma v is equal to 0, then the partial differential equation is ux, uy, vx, vy is equal to 0. The outcome of this differential equation is first order linear partial differential equation, that is, it is in of the form capital P small p and capital Q small q is equal to R, which is called Lagrange's linear equation. Lagrange's linear equation. The determinant of is equal to 0, then the partial differential equation is of the form P plus Q is equal to R, which is Lagrange's linear equation. So we are going to see some few example. First one, form partial differential equation of the function f of z minus xy comma x square plus y square is equal to 0. So this is form of u comma v. Form a partial differential equation of f of z minus xy comma x square plus y square. Here u is equal to z minus xy and v is equal to x square plus y square. Now we are finding ux. The ux is nothing but dou u by dou x. So u partially differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to dou z by dou x minus y. Now that is using notation, that is p minus y and uy is nothing but dou u by dou y, that is equal to dou z by dou y minus x. Using notation for dou z dou y is q, that is q minus x. Next we are going to find vx. Vx is dou v by dou x, that is equal to 2x, and vy is dou v by dou y, that is equal to 2y. Therefore partial differential equation is determinant of ux, uy and vx, vy is equal to 0. Therefore you substituting value of ux is p minus y and uy is q minus x, vx is 2x and vy is 2y. Simplifying this equation, p minus a, that is 2y into p minus y, determinant value minus 2 times of x into q minus x. So we know that determinant of a, b, c, d is equal to ad minus bc. So using that, determinant value is 2y into p minus y minus 2x times of q minus x is equal to 0. Already I told that determinant of this value is a Lagrange's linear equation, that is capital P small p plus capital Q small q is equal to 0, that is 2yp minus 2 times of y square minus 2 times of x cube minus into minus plus 2 times of x square is equal to 0. Now cancelling 2 in every terms, so you can write p py, that is y into p, plus minus q into x, and that is equal to y squared minus x squared. So it is in the form of yp minus xq is equal to y squared minus x squared. It is in form of capital P small p and capital Q small q is equal to r. So p is function of x and y. Here capital P value is y, capital Q value is x, and capital R value is y square minus x square. This is called Lagrange's linear equation. So the output of pi of u comma v is partial differential is represent Lagrange's linear equation. Next, second example, I am considering function pi of x cube minus y cube comma x squared minus z squared is equal to 0. So here u is x cube minus y cube and v is x squared minus z squared. So this form we have to frame partial differential equation to find ux, that is differentiate u partially with respect to x, that is 3 times of x squared, uy, that is minus 3 times of y squared. Similarly here vx, that is dou v by dou x, that is 2x, and vy, that is minus 2z. So vx, that is 2x into minus 2z of dou z by dou x, because z is function of x and y. So using notation 2x in minus 2z into p. Similarly differentiating this with respect to y, that is minus 2z dou z by dou y, that is minus 2 times of z into q. X we are doing with respect to y, it will be 0. This one is minus 2z dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 times of z into q. Now we are going to find partial differential equation by finding determinant value. Therefore partial differential equation is determinant of ux, uy, vx, vy is equal to 0. That is, in the place of ux you substitute 3x squared minus 3y squared, and vx you taking 2 is common, that is x minus zp, and vy is minus 2 times of zq is equal to 0. So finding determinant value, partial differential equation of the form Lagrange's linear equation. So finding the determinant value, that is 3 times of x square into minus 2 times of z cube minus of minus plus 3 times of y square into 2 times of x minus z p is equal to 0. Simplifying this, 6 times of minus 6 times of x square z cube plus 6 times of y square x minus 6 times of y square zp is equal to 0. So cancelling 6. Now remaining you have a minus x squared z cube minus y squared zp. I am taking this term as another side, that is y square x minus, cancelling minus on both sides and rearranging the terms, that is y squared z p plus x squared z q is equal to y square x. So it is in the form of capital P small p, p is function of x and y, plus capital Q small q, capital Q is a function of x, y, z is equal to r. It is represent of Lagrange's linear equations. So any equation of the form pi of u comma v is equal to 0, the output of partial differential equation is of the form p plus capital Q small q is equal to R, which is Lagrange's linear equation.
Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe and click on the bell button.